Oh my God. The governor got more. Where are you getting money from? Dude, I know you got a lawsuit going. You sued Clayton after that one. Ew! Ew! Gonna start calling this thing the Blue Bee.
I'm gonna start asking.
Let me in, let me in.
Stop.
Oh, my bad.
Don't slam the door either.
Careful, careful. Dude, I like this. It's almost like a hatchback.
It's pretty sweet.
Let's go. Everyone knows the governor now. What's your favorite part about this thing? We're at English Town. Mommy said, take my pit bike out. I take it out for like literally what? Not even 10 seconds.
15 seconds?
Max.
15 seconds.
Dude.
Pulls it out of the garage. Stalls it.
Stall it. Straight up whiskey throttle like a chick.
And snaps the rear.
More money, dude. Just hit it all cash.
Jesus.
Hopefully the people...
You working overtime this week?
Dude, I'm working overtime for the rest of my life after this week I'm having.
Man, son.
I need people to start watching on YouTube. Shop their films.
Son.
Start this thing up. Let's go! Think he got this thing?
Yeah, I think he got it all day.
Yeah! Let's go! Free ride, baby! Yes!
Let's go.
Yes!
That's it. Derek, your turn.
Let's go!
Nick, are you doing your homework or what? Filming it.
Why didn't you ride back up?
He needs hot.
Thank God you said I'll film you, or else we would not have gotten the shot at all. It would have been brutal.
See it.
No way! Man almost got clobbered, bro! He almost got hit! Holy fucking shit! Oh! Chase, back up! Chase! Oh shit.
Hey, like this.
Oh shit. Oh! No! Come here. Ready?
I'm ready.
Oh shit. Oh. Yo.
You didn't fucking like this one.
Here.
I'm ready.
Yo, blow him up.
I'm about to run
Yo, blow him the up. Yo.
Big boys. That one.
Back up. Yo, no. Back up. Yeah, come on. Put it in.
No, just put it in, put it in. Yo, stick. Yo, give me him. Oh, it's just fucked up. Yo, f you, you bastard. Yo, watch out. Yeah, what the fuck? Yeah, you crippled.
Who can I
You
run it
crippled
first? Daniel's
fuck.
got it first.
Yeah, you crippled.
Cripples go first.
Fucking cigarette back at me. Boots are made for walking.
Bahuki, gnarliest dude with fireworks.
Boys.
Where he used to hoop. That'll be worth something one day.
Dreams were made there, I can tell you that for damn sure.
Kid got it back in blood. What a night, eh?
A lot of money was lost on that court. A lot of money was won and lost on that court.
Big gambling guy out here.
Big time. Yeah, welcome to the crib.
Dude, check it. How was the night?
It was pretty good, dude. It was a good time.
What's this thing's name?
What's up, Tank? Look at him, bro.
It's a tank. You can't even move.
Dude, look at him compared to my foot.
Tank. That's Tank right there. His name's Sid. Damn, dude. Rumor has it Gio lived here for a year. I don't even know if I could put this on YouTube. This is crazy stuff. Dude, who got one of these? I don't know what your parents are doing in here, dude. What the Let's go. Let's go. This is where it all goes down.
Yeah, this is my brother's side.
You guys got your own sides to the basement?
Well, yeah.
Does he live in here?
Yeah. Well, not really. Well, he lives in Philly, but like when he's home, this is where he is.
Dude, you guys love drawing with chalk.
Yeah, chalkboard walls everywhere.
Give him story time.
Story time. Here's a couple good ones. Some kid flushed a vape down the toilet during a party one time.
Kid used to throw ragers here.
Flooded my whole basement. And then another time, some girl was trying to take a booty pic on my f***ing sink. And her fat ass ripped it off the wall. I swear to God. Her fat ass ripped it off the wall. And then outside, there's like a big countertop. Some kid jumped on it and broke it. And that shit's worth like...
Dude,
that
the
shit's worth
sink
like-
story
that
might
shit-
be
That
unbeatable.
shit's worth like 20 grand, bro. So that shit was fucked.
Damn, dude. What do you do for a living?
I sell drugs.
Dude, look at him. Look at him. It's like a raccoon, dude. Goddamn bowling ball with legs. AC ready, and this kid got shot with too many fireworks. He got burn marks going straight through. Unbelievable. Did they feel good, or what did they feel like?
I couldn't feel anything. I was too fucking drunk.
Bookie! Get him! Get him! The governor in the 7-3. Let's go!
That thing fucks, bro.
That's the gov right there.
I know.
He
dude.
makes the laws. He makes the laws. He's allowed to do whatever he wants because he makes the laws.
He's fine here.
I don't know, because they're...
We got riders. Let's go. What do we got going on? We towing? We getting after it?
Dude, let's hook them up. Back up. We'll hook all you guys up.
We'll hook you up with our truck too. Let's go. Let's go. We're currently ripping up the walking trail. Oh no, we're good.
Dude, I'm telling you, someone get out and go buy Gio's ticket. So we don't gotta walk all the way back over
Those
there.
goes. My boy rolled up in his mom's Nissan. He thinks he's hard. I think he's gonna get some chicks tonight. One wheel or die. Let's go, baby. It's a lifestyle. He just blew a tire. You getting the shot?
Oh, yeah.
You got a whole camera in that shit. I just walk around with a big old phone.
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah. Let's go. Yo, what you feeling for food?
Maybe some jerky and then holler at your boy.
Holler at your boy. This right here is about as urban as it gets. Hey, what time we hitting the boat later?
1 a.m.
At least.
at least. Mafangu.
It started raining. Unbelievable. Everyone's soaked.
Andy,
Kid wore white. Terrible idea.
my mom just went on Dur's YouTube page. Let's go.
Bahookie.
Like and subscribe to Dur Films. Got 'em all.
Oh, Urban.
Me and my boy Bahookie. Kids Urban. Just left the meet. The homie said we're going on the boat. We got riders? Rumor has it we're going on this thing?
Yeah, you said you wanted to go fish, so we're gonna go for a little bit. No, we are.
Alright, you want to fish?
We're gonna go eat food and then we're gonna go fish.
Eat food and fish. We're eating food first? That's what I'm about. Bahookie style. Hit the boat after a long day. Let's go. This is what we're about now, huh?
Yo, Dur. We're Urban.
We're urban boat riding.
Durban.
We're going
Yo, Durban.
We're going to hit the marsh gap.
Dude, is your new name Durban?
Durban.
This kid's
We need an inboard so we could jump islands. Is this just what we be doing?
This is what we be doing.
Unbelievable. Is that the deep blue right there? That's the deep blue. Get him! Get him! Get him! Boom! Did we make it?
Yeah, you fuck. Right here.
No worries. It literally got no worries. This guy Gio only gets one wrap around. I thought we needed some more.
How many times do you wrap it?
Maybe like 6 or 7, 6 or 9 at least.
Dude,
6 or 9.
you're gonna have kids early, dude.
Phone needs first. Come on back.
Holy fuck.
First stop down. This dude can't even open his eyes no more. Let's go. 69 miles till we're out there.
My boy Kaleo. He's a pro surfer. He's from Hawaii.
Yeah? What's his name?
Kaleo.
Pulling up to the fuel dock and we're meeting Nija. Got him on. Oh, these are gnarly.
Look right there, look.
It's so wicked on there. This is what we're talking about. It doesn't get any more serious than this. What are we working with here?
Fucking some fuckery.
We got big ones coming.
Oh, wow.
We're about to link up. Riding down. We got riding. Oh!
Holy fuck.
That one got close. Oh, it's gnarly. They're like after 5 seconds too. Oh,
I wonder what it feels like in the cabin.
oh, probably feel like. Look, he's getting tossed. Oh, you're beating him.
Someone sit on the front and do that.
Soldier down. We got 2 soldiers down now.
Riders are down. Unreal.